I decided to draw. I don't know how many of you are familiar with video games. I am assuming most people are, but Link, all those like Legend of Zelda games, Link was always one of my favorite characters. Legend of Zelda: Link to the Past was always my favorite. Still is my favorite out of all the games I've played. Blah blah blah. So I decided to draw Link as a wolf. Now, I've drawn this with my students before. Darn, I knew I was going to do that. Listen, I'm not perfect. But that's what happens when you draw. You're gonna make mistakes. Even professionals make mistakes. Don't let them tell you they don't, because they do. See, I don't know how good that is. I have another one I did. Well, I would say I had another. But a lot of these I wound up giving up to my students, which I might have mentioned once before in a video. I don't know. But yeah, I eventually wound up giving these away. I don't keep many. And whatever I do keep goes inside my special book. Yeah, I was always obsessed, but yes, it's a Star Wars book. It's where I keep all my other projects. Everything I've ever drawn that I haven't given away goes in here. When I mean everything, I mean everything. Wile E. Coyote, Scooby and Shaggy. Look, see? Herbie in the Mario hat. Link, which he was in 2 weeks ago. He was in that episode because he happened to be sitting on the side. And on the other side of this, Bowser. Yeah, it's a pretty cool looking Bowser. So, here you go. Link, because he will probably wind up being in every single episode I do, because this little space here is my drawing space. And then Link is a wolf pup. Plain, simple, easy. Not much to color in. But Link, and then Link is a wolf pup. And Bowser even made an appearance. And there's a joke I have with my dad. Because every time the kids see this, we joke around going, oh, he posed for that. No, here it is. Because apparently the kids make fun of my dad for being really hairy. I should take back what I said before about Sasquatch, though sometimes he does act like a big dopey Bigfoot, but no. Wolfman. The kids see this and they freak out, so we tell them that he posed for that. And for you Star Wars fans, here you go. Master Yoda. But he's not my favorite Star Wars character. My favorite Star Wars character is Anakin Skywalker before he becomes Darth Vader. Him. The before Darth. The Anakin Skywalker. He was my favorite character. In the new movie, I think I like Kylo Ren. Probably said that wrong. Kylo Ren. I have a speech impediment, so deal with it. Yeah, so he was pretty simple and easy to draw. That's it. Peace. Have a suggestion on what I can do next? Leave it in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.